Hey guys, this is an HP Envy printer, those 2020 and up models. Um, if you're having an error code E4, which is a paper jam, or if you just have another paper jam error, a different code, there's a few areas that we would want to go over the printer and check. So first we can go ahead and open the printer. It's pretty accessible here, and you can see if there's any paper in here that could be in the way. So definitely check inside here. Make sure there's nothing on any sides. Sometimes there could be paper stuck right there and it's very hard to see. But you can just turn the printer off, unplug it, and just move this over, or you really don't even have to do that. But check the left side as well. Make sure there's nothing in this area there. Then we have this paper jam access cover or paper path that paper can get stuck in there. So instead of having it in the back, it's over there. So go ahead and check this area. These rollers could also be cleaned, but you'll see pieces of paper maybe stuck in here. Or check this little sensor lever right here. Make sure that's not broken or stuck. You can lift this right here, like so, and check area in there. Pull out any paper that could be in the way and make sure nothing is out of the way, out of place. And when you put it back, make sure you slide it back in properly and lock it in place. And maybe it should have been the first place to look, is the tray, but pull the paper out that's here. Flip the printer on its side. I'm going to turn off the printer for that. And this printer has a power button on the back. So we're going to turn the printer off. And with the tray out like this here, we can flip the printer on its side. And this is another area we could check. You can also clean this roller right here. Check this to make sure it's properly set, if you have that piece right here. So just go over these areas and you should be able to get the printer cleared of any paper jams at this point. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. Hopefully you got that paper jam resolved. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share with friends, and check out our other videos. And thank you for your support. Have a wonderful day.